All right, we're going to we have the inequality 8 is less than negative x divided by 3 minus 5. And I'm asked to solve this algebraically. So I'm going to start by circling my term with the variable, which is this term right here. And I'm going to draw a line down the middle of the equal sign. Inequality sign, sorry. All right, so I'm ready to roll. So when I see this, I see my term here. I notice that inside my circle is a negative symbol. So because that is a negative, I know, and I might make a note over here, because my coefficient is a negative, I'm going to need to switch the inequality at some point when I get rid of that negative symbol to solve for x or get x by itself. So I'm just making a note there to double check at the end that I switched that inequality. Also, it's just important to note that just while we're on this term, is that the negative sign can go in the top of that fraction, in the bottom of that fraction, or in the middle where it starts and was given to us. They all mean the same thing. So if you need that negative to be moved to the bottom to help you see what to do when you get to that piece to solve for x, this might be your way to view it so you don't miss the signs, okay? It's another thing to just keep tabs on. All right, so now I'm ready to go. I'm going to add 5 to both sides to get this term by itself on the left and to get my solving to start happening, or on the right and to get my solving to start happening. I'm going to draw a line here, separate my vertical math, and I get 13 is less than x. I'm going to put the negative in the bottom over negative 3. Remember, I told you those were equivalences. You can use any of those. I think this will help me the best. So now I need to get x by itself. So I'm going to circle x. To get x alone, I need to get rid of divide by negative 3. The way you get rid of a divide by negative 3 is if you multiply by negative 3. So I'm going to put negative 3 up here and I'm going to multiply it. And I'm going to put negative 3 over here and I'm going to multiply. And when I do that on both sides, I get negative 39 for the left side. 13 times 3 is 39. Opposite signs multiplied is a negative. I'm going to switch the direction of my inequality. And on the right side, my 3 divided by 3, that's 1. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Or negative 3 divided by itself is 1. So that's 1x, or x. So I get negative 39 is greater than x. And that is how you solve this inequality. All the numbers that are going to work are going to be below negative 39 on a number line. So if here's negative 39, they're going to be all the numbers that are this way on that number line.